Hi doll collectors and fans! Today we're going to review the Barbie Looks 4 to 6. The Barbie Looks collection came out mid of 2021. I personally consider this as one of the more exciting releases of Barbie as it target adult collectors. I have previously made an unboxing video of doll number 2, and as I have mentioned, one thing exciting about this collection is the number of new face sculpts released in the market. We have doll number 4. His face sculpt is called John. We also have doll number 5. His face sculpt is called Sean. And the last doll in the 2021 set, a new face called Victoria, who's doll number 6. The Barbie Looks collection, I feel, is really targeting the adult collectors in mind. Considering the subdued colors of the fashion, this is a huge break from the typical colors of the clothes of the playline. In addition, the made-to-move body really encourages posing these dolls and displaying them for doll photography. So that's something that really excites me. I really hope that Mattel comes up with more doll lines that's targeting the adult in the future. The packaging is pretty much basic carton, and to unbox this, all you have to do is to flip the lid that you will find on top of the box, and once you open it, all you have to do is to pull the entire carton that's inside the box. This doll is typically sold between 2,000 to 2,500 pesos here in the Philippines. I got mine from different shops online, whether through Facebook communities or through Shopee. Whenever I unbox, I avoid using scissors or cutters. If I can just manage to pull out the way the doll is mounted on the box, that's how I try to do it. I still want to preserve the original plastic packaging that came with the doll. For the most part, you can remove the doll from its packaging without using any form of scissors or cutters. You can just manage to pull it out from the plastic wirings that holds the doll and the box together. All of the dolls come with a certificate of authenticity and a set of its own doll stand. So the doll stand is made of plastic. I guess the only watch out for me for this doll stand is that it's actually quite brittle, so might be prone to breakage in case you use it the wrong way. So be careful about that. Doll number 4, John, is wearing a white high-top sneakers. This is paired with a white jeans which has a velcro fastening at the back, and he's also wearing a white mesh shirt. For his hair, he has braided hair which is held together in the form of a man bun, and he also has sides which are flocked hair. So just a word of caution, this is the kind of hair that you should not put into water, or if accidentally you manage to wet it, make sure that you do not rub it because the flocking will be damaged. So be careful when playing with these dolls. So here's a view of the doll from the back. You would see that the mesh shirt is pretty much solid with no velcro opening. So the challenge is once you remove this shirt, it will be hard to make the doll wear it again. So another look, this is John. Moving on to our next hunk, Sean. He's wearing a pompadour hairstyle with the flocking underneath. You would see that he's also wearing a black cotton shirt, which is sleeveless. This is paired with a black vinyl pants and white rubber shoes. How I wish that Mattel will color those shoes in the future. I'm imagining gold and black and white on this particular set of design. I find this doll really handsome. I especially appreciate the beard, the painted beard on his face. It looks so realistic. I hope Mattel will come up with more hunks in the doll line. Now we take a look at doll number 6. She has a platinum blonde hair. I really love when the light hits her hair because it really shows the platinum color. So she's wearing a white dress which has bell sleeves and some shoulder cut, and she's also wearing white boots to pair with it. So this doll is actually tall, so that means that This is around 12 inches, which is half an inch higher than the usual doll. So that's my Barbie Looks number 4 to 6. I'm still waiting for my doll number 3 to be delivered and hoping to get number 1 soon. I hope you like this review. If you enjoyed, I hope that you can follow me in my Instagram account called Barbie's Kupo and also subscribe in my channel, The Doll Collector PH. Thank you so much for watching.